The White family lived in a small, isolated house where the wind seemed to press against the windows with restless intent. One stormy evening, they welcomed an old friend, Sergeant Major Morris, recently returned from India. Over dinner, he spoke of strange things, mysticism, fakirs, and objects imbued with unnatural power. From his pocket, he eventually produced a shriveled monkey's paw. "It's been cursed," he said. "It grants 3 wishes to 3 separate men, but always with terrible consequences." The family laughed uneasily. Morris, with sudden conviction, threw the paw into the fire. Mr. White quickly retrieved it. "Better let it burn," Morris warned. "If you keep it, don't blame me for what happens." Later that night, half joking, Mr. White made his first wish. For £200, enough to pay off the house. The paw twisted in his hand like a living thing, then fell still. Nothing else happened. The next day, their son Herbert went to work at the factory as usual. By afternoon, a well-dressed man arrived at the house, hesitant and grave. He brought dreadful news. Herbert had been caught in machinery and killed. The company denied liability, but offered compensation. £200. Grief consumed the house. Days passed in hollow silence. One night, Mrs. White, pale and frantic, seized upon a thought. "The paw," she cried. "We can wish him back." Mr. White recoiled. "He's been dead for days." But she insisted. Her desperation overwhelming reason. Trembling, he took the paw and made the second wish. They waited. Then, from the darkness outside, came a slow, heavy knocking at the door. Mrs. White sprang up. "It's him!" she cried, rushing forward. Mr. White, frozen with dread, imagined what stood beyond the door, what form their son might now have taken after days in the grave. The knocking grew louder, more insistent. Mrs. White fumbled with the bolts. "Let me in," the knocking seemed to say. In terror, Mr. White searched for the paw. His hands found it, just as the final bolt began to slide free. With a desperate whisper, he made his third wish. The knocking ceased. The door swung open to reveal only the empty road, the wind stirring the quiet night, and the house fell silent once more.